Hey guys, so today I have a squishy package from squishyshop.com, and they are actually cutie creative on Instagram, I believe, and I'll put all their links and stuff and information down below in the description box. And before we get on with the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to join the Sparkle Squad. So yeah, let's just get started. It's so big. I cannot. It is so big. Here is my hand. It's so tiny compared to the gigantic package. Oh, sorry for the super ugly, terrible lighting, but it's really late. It's like 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I don't know. So the first little squishy is this cute little blue penguin, and this is the blue star design with the eyes open. And right now I sound really derpy because I'm real hyper because I had too much candy. And yeah, this is a voiceover by the way, but this is probably how I felt when I was filming and stuff. And yeah, it's really tiny, it's really cute. Now squish it. Come on, squish it. I said squish it. Oh, there we go, okay. It's really so rising. By the way, it smells like apples. It's really nice. And yeah, I think I already showed the back of the packaging, but it's really cute. I like it. Yep, it's great squishy. Yeah. And this, kids, is why you don't bring squishies to school. Look, the head's almost gonna fall off. By the way, this is the same voiceover. It's so depressing, but it's really squishy. So yeah. Here is the Bible English bird love, and look at how beautiful that is. It is so pretty. And the packaging on point, really soft. I didn't expect this to be that soft and so rising. Not a very pleasant scent, but it is really cute. Love it. Commercial break.
Whitebird, we've got to bring the friendship bracelets back. We can do it together. I need your help. Will you help us bring the friendship bracelets back to our friends?
The next squishy is this Cutie the Cat squishy. Look how adorable it is. Oh my gosh, this is like the cutest squishy. Like, look at this cute little mouse. Look how cute and derpy it is. Oh. I believe the brand is Heart for Chris. Chris. This is so soft. And not surprisingly, really surprising. But look how big this packaging is. Like, the packaging is a bit too big for squishy in my opinion. But look how cute it is. It smells like caramel-ish, not really. I don't know. So it's super squishy. And this is much bigger than the Ivory Penguin. Like, yeah. I thought the Ivory Penguin would be the size, but no. Anyways, this takes forever. So I'll just be waiting over here. Yeah. Yeah. Next thing I pull out. Oh! I've changed the camera view thingy because it was just way too big. But look how massive this is. I'm Mr. Uchi, and he's like in a toilet bowl. I don't know if you can see, and he's saying, "Hello world." What the heck? That's a bit odd. Like, that's a bit like disturbing because like he has a beard already, and he's saying "Hello world." Sorry, I'm acting so weird today. But no words, and it does have licensing. This is so soft. Ooh, the paint is like chipping off. So squishyshop.com, aka Cute Creative, is like the most generous squishy shop ever. Like, look at this Bomb Extra. Like, this is a licensed Hairu milk bottle squishy, and it's just the right amount of slow risingness. What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Hello, anybody? Here is what the beautiful milk bottle looks like out of packaging. And yeah, I got the blue design, and yeah, it's really nice. I love it so much. It smells kind of weird. I don't know what it smells like. It smells kind of sweet, I guess. And they're just a little necklace, I guess. It comes with a necklace. So yeah, you know, just the latest fashion trend, and soon there'll be squishy earrings. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this really cringy and terrible video. But remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to join the Sparkle Squad. Bye. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Dora.